Hey guys, what's going on? Today we're gonna prep this stamped concrete patio to seal it. End up sealing this thing tomorrow afternoon. Patio's in really good shape. It's still got a little bit of sealer on it up here, and you could actually this is actually a good one right here, because up here is where the sealer's at, and look where the sunlight seems to cut off. I try telling people all the time when people ask me how long it's gonna last, it's how much sun do you get. This area here is the area we're gonna want to be careful in here. Sealing it will definitely prevent any kind of future popping like that. Get this thing going. Should go good here. This one's gonna look really good when we're done. We're actually putting non-slip shark grip in here. So in this one we'll have to keep the bucket of sealer mixed. Keep her mixed, and I'll probably end up going through 2 rollers. What happens is the sand, it likes to bind up in the roller on you once your roller starts to wear out. So this one will go good here, guys. And get it started. right, guys, this one went really well here. Sealed up good. I have a little bit of extra grip on his feet coming off the pool here. I'll let it set up, and this is going to actually look really good. You guys need any kind of stamped concrete sealing? Check us out. You can book us online, windycitysteam.com. Thanks for watching.